Okay, so in this lesson, I want to show you uh, this sequence. Okay, major scale sequence for you to start practicing. Okay, start learning. Uh, it's very simple. So I want you to learn something like this. So what I played there was Ti do, Ti re do, Ti re do in the key of G. This is the key of G. Mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. That is the key of G. So I started by playing. Sorry. Ti re do mi sol fa la do ti re fa mi so do la. Okay, so do la ti re do again. Okay, so we play it upward again. You play ascending again. Okay, just practice that. Now you can play that same thing in this other shape. This is the key of this is a D, G again. So from this other shape, you can play the same thing. Okay. Now this time around, you're going to start from the mi sol fa because the root here, the 6 strings there started from the mi sol fa. Okay. Mi sol fa la do ti, mi sol fa la do ti. Re fa mi, so do la, ti re do mi so fa. Just like you have here. Okay. This time around, you're going to hold the mi chord, yeah, which will be the B minor chord. The B minor chord. Okay, so that is it. I use it a lot in my soloing, in my improvisation. Okay, so you can also learn to use it as well.